Hi everybody, welcome to week 7 of our class, which runs from Wednesday, February 22nd to Tuesday, February 28th. Just checking my calendar. Alright, now, in my opinion, this is where statistics starts getting really exciting, at least in my opinion, when I was doing research when I taught elementary school. We're going to start getting into now where we're going to be doing what is called inferential statistics as opposed to descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics also contains descriptive statistic, which you learn from weeks 1 all the way to 5. And your midterm exam was concerning descriptive statistics. Now we're going to get into inferential statistics, where we're going to start seeing the difference either between or among groups for whatever you're studying. And you're going to be learning about hypothesis testing. You're going to be learning about independent and dependent variables. Independent variable is a treatment to change behavior, and dependent variable is whatever you're measuring for. So you'll be learning about that in starting with week 7, going all the way to the final exam. All right, we're going to get into confidential intervals, which is basically easy to do, and again, hypothesis tests for the means we're going to be studying. I think by this time you got my profile. I think by this time you know about the Ask the Professor folder and discussion section. And by this time, hopefully, I'm hoping that you've been using the statistical tutors, because they're there to help you. And again, for week 9, you're going to have the critical review assignment to submit, and hopefully you've been working on that. And that's due March 14th. No due date extension, since it's a 9-week assignment. If you wish to submit your critical review assignment report to turn it in, this is some information about that. All right, you have 2 assignments this week for week 7. You got quiz 7, which we're going to go to, and you have discussion assignment on confidence in intervals, and you'll go to discussion, and you'll pick one of the topics. Just pick one topic to do. All right, let's go to class. All right, I already got week 7 up here. Again, like I've been suggesting, start at the top, work your way down. I believe this is my... No. This is UMGC's PowerPoint. Here's some examples. This is my PowerPoint, so forth. I highly suggest you watch these Zoom sessions. They're very informative from Dr. Bruns. All right, and you got a discussion. Let's go to activities, discussion. And you got week 7 discussion. And you just choose your one, but it's normal distribution. 1, 2, 3 topics. You choose one of those topics. That's all you need to do, is just one of the top topics. All right. Let's go back to activities. Go to quizzes. I think you're familiar with this by now. Waiting for it to come up. Come on up. There we go. Now, there is, if you scroll all the way down, there is a practice. Again, if you open it up, I'll let you do that. This is where you can take the opportunity to ask the statistical tutors for help. They're there to help you solve the problem, to help with the calculation. All right, let's go to quiz 7. Let's open it up. And there are 15 questions, all dealing with some type of confidence intervals. And again, I suggest you take a few of each day, work on some of the problems. You need help, go to statistical tutors. All right. I'm looking. I think by this time you all know how to do the turn it in, how to do the tutors, and so forth. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to scroll up. Oh, I know. I remember now what I want to do. Content. Go to, again, 9. And this is where you get your critical review. Scrolling down, here's your directions, here's your article. Let's see here. Okay, this is what I want. Now, this is very, very important. You have 2 sections to the critical review assignment. You have elements of the critique, which is just going to be a summary. The summary should not be more than 1.5 pages. If you do, that means you're just writing too much. All you need to do is use these, what I'm highlighting, as your main heading or subheading, and then just answer the questions. That's all you need to do. If you want to copy and paste a question as another subheading, I think it's called a level 3 subheading, you can do that and answer the question. That's all you need to do, and so forth. So in the summary of the article, you're basically telling me, the reader, what the article is about, so I don't have to read the whole article. Now, and then this is the most important part, is the in-depth critique of the article. This is where now you are teaching, you're the teacher, and you're teaching the reader, which will be me, how you feel about the article. You're going to get some facts from the article, and then you're going to write your opinion about the article, but this is the most important. It says, please support the yes or no answers with examples, because basically these questions are yes and no, but you got to support it. That's what you need to do. What from the paper, it will help you support your views of this particular section, in this case purpose, but they're all the same way. You got questions to answer, and you're going to support your answer with evidence from the article. And if you have questions about the article, put them in the Ask the Professor folder. Alright, I'm going to go back here. Yep. Alright, I think I said enough about what I need to say. Yeah. Yep, I'm good. Alright. This is Dr. Chasen, signing off.